Gentlemen, today's video has been one exciting video I've been wanting to do for God knows how long. I'm explaining with excitement over what I'm about to share with you guys today. I've dug deep into my African men's style closet and I've pulled out 5 iconic hats every African man should know. After this video, you'll be feeling like a style guru. This info you won't find anywhere else, but your man right here is about to give it to you. You feel me? You want to check out my number 5? It's my personal favorite. This your boy Nana, also your African men's fashion superstar coach, and I have myself right here running. Without wasting much time, let's get right into it. Number 1, we have the Fulani Hat. This is a conical fiber hat with leather applications. It is typically worn by the Wadabe, a nomadic cattle herder group of the Fulani people in West Africa. It serves as a decorative wall hanging. A beautiful one, of course. The Fulani hat is a basketry hat made of plant fiber and has leather applications. At the base of the hat, there is often a chain strap with a tassel at the end. And it's unisex. It almost makes you look like Raiden of Mortal Kombat. Team of VVIP, a musical trio from West Africa, shot this hat into popularity when he started wearing it in his musical videos and making appearances on stage. For African street style, this iconic hat enhances the look. Big ups to Zeal. Yeah. Let's move on to our number 2. We have the African straw hats. Yeah, the African straw hat. This hat is not only beautiful but practical. Yeah, that's it. That's the hat right there. This iconic hat was also made popular amongst the youth of Africa by Mr. Easy. Yeah, right. When he started rapping it in his musical videos and on stage. Great thing about this hat though, both old and the young can rock it. It enhances the casual look. You can style this with your t-shirts or your polo shirts, your dress shirts with folded sleeves, against your jeans, your chinos. You name them. You can even rock it with your shorts. It's a perfect beach wear. Let's move on to number 3. For a dressier and a formal look, this next accessory drives the look home. The African filler hat. It is a traditional Yoruba hat that is made of either ashoke, cotton, velvet, or damask. Ronnie, show them. Yeah, that's me, the second me. Originating from Nigeria, they are worn by many African men, and it can be styled in 4 different ways. The cap is so dynamic, you can be versatile about it. And I'm going to dedicate one full video to show you guys how to style the filler cap so you look different when you're rocking it. Number 4, we have the red cap. The red cap is originally used by title holders from Igbo in Nigeria. Ordinary people can wear other colors, but not the red. The red cap, though, has become a fashion statement amongst African men, and it can be used to complement all formal African dressing. But yeah, you can style this, for style's sake, you can be creative about it. And now to my personal favorite, my number 5. I reserve the best for the last. I know most people don't know the name of this cap, but it is called the Bama cap. And I call it the African royalty cap. The Bama cap originates from Maiduguri, also in Nigeria. History behind this cap makes it very special. And everyone in this cap commands respect. It totally transforms the look of one's outfit. That's Bama cap. Fashion enthusiasts have accessorized this in several stylish ways. And it's loved by all African men, from politicians to actors to sportsmen to fashion influencers, you name them, including myself. The reason why this hat is my number 1 pick, I'm putting together a video of how cool this hat really is. It is so versatile, I can't even imagine. I can't think far. There are several different ways you can rock this hat and look on point and look stylish and look like someone who watches the African men's fashion and more. So definitely expect a video on that one, the African royalty cap, the Bama cap. And that, folks, is my list of 5 iconic hats I think every African man should own. Hey, I want to know what I missed. If there's any other African hat I didn't mention, put them in the comments down below. I want to know so I can make a video to cover that. As I always say to you guys, we are in this together. I want us to all know our style and feel confident when we go out. chest out, you know? Yeah, that's what's up. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I must say a big thank you to Yawbaku for this awesome outfit. You need to get one for yourself. Just check Yawbaku out on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Twitter at Yawbaku Clothing. And also to Star J Accessory for my uniquely designed beaded bracelet. Big up yourself, Star J. I need to know what you guys feel about this video. Drop a comment down below, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and better still, subscribe. Hey guys, this is the end of today's video. See you in the next video.